Yes, video ya, one day my amensini bia, nom de ayo majuma lanchi yase, and a mampeni, hremu.
To thrive. It is for this reason that from 2017 to December 2023, we've witnessed an extraordinary expansion and improvement in our road network throughout the country. From 2009 to 2016, that is the Mills-Mahama era, our nation completed 4,636 kilometers of roads and 5 interchanges and overpasses. However, since January 2017 to date, i.e. the Akufo-Addo Bawumia era, that's unforgivable. That's unforgivable. How would you allow me to withdraw that statement? Akufo-Addo Bawumia era.
Mampanyini na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo bema boada asona womperekwa ene yete ne nkan woni nsemane no achire na Dr. Joseph Sia Japan ya wono na yeti brekese ya oda Japan group of company na no ono so kasa ebo aban na baso se Ukraine aban no ayade se Ghana ni timamuni wo ye adwuma na aban no ayere kokko agina na chi aboa mane ma chi senso akoso.
And Your Excellency, the manufacturers have detailed 32 Chinese engineers who are in Ghana for the past 2 months as a sign of a warranty guarantee. We inform them that when an equipment gets a breakdown or a failed one, we can never come to China. So bring the guarantee of the warranty here so that we can assist to solve the problem. And we have deployed 32 engineers who have been here for the past 2 months to transfer knowledge and technology to Ghanaians. As I conclude, permit me to express my sincere appreciation to His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, for his unwavering support and the faith reimposed in Ghanaian businesses, particularly J. Planto and the Jospon Group.
Japan. Dr. Joseph Japan Sian and yet saying Kano. I can gender minister near Mammy Otikwa Fisa Jaba and Wakacha and another Dankwa Akufo-Addo say affirmative action bill. 1 year between Biada say between Abayamra, Sansan another Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ubia, Wajinamo Casadia Boa, and Ma say Maduana between Yaquena or my Abenju Media Udrum was so May and Ma Duduani Jinamo Hamunchemu, Adrianum, Ya Baba Chumua, and Masu Yakabi Papa, and tis affirmative action bill no, as an another yet will bet me be nowadays Nisagu Swanning Abaya and Rapreco, na etumi boa, or send another near Sembiaka, so Beja to Amano Ayamra, no more want to 10 waho, say Mreya to Mudia, and yet the Bayani say, no affirmative bill, no vote, Sape Pepe NBC, Mammy Utikwa Visa Jaba, or say Yaji Tumwa, and Yanema, Yababi Yakwine, Nen Media Kasia or Minimum, Yanswe to me a bob Uremu, Akotre Yabobre.
I am more than confident. He is a gender ambassador for gender. And look, women are close to 52% of our population. No affirmative action assent, no vote from the women. We are going to put the screws on. Thing must become a reality. We are not going to dilly-dally about it. It has been at a snail's pace. And if it has happened under his watch, he has no other reason but to just give the assent. He doesn't have a choice. It is something, he himself has 5 daughters. It is important for him to be recognized that since the history of Ghana, we've been trying to bring this law in. And finally, under his governance, it is coming to be. Why wouldn't he?
Mami Otiko Afisa Jaba, Emribi Echamuno, a gender minister. I was off a washer ma, and Mofra Edi and Samso. National Health Insurance for the Jumedebi at in time so up on to my watch them say, and ye and nay a fear beer. What does any good health insurance so back check up? The bear head screen he be free the amount, Mojabro swa, you be show Mojamus and Sichireno Swaya ma, Ninano health insurance, Ebabefa. And Hoka, net to me abwa, Jumediana ase ewo enkran ena pani kwanchefo a ono ne da ano Dr. Da Costa Abuaje echirechire mu pa se de be ne beti ase ehu hia so onipa bia da afie ne bekwa wieye na chesenka wanka se oni pedua ne wafichirim ahwem se yade bi ba watumi aso ano na wei yade health insurance no ebebo ho ebra
When you fire hwemu se bosome so na ye kutua de fe ne claim no kese eka ye members na abo a ye kutua ma hospital we hwemu a o andi chemu be se aduasa total 30% nia free assistance ade no yabo so ene enipa ana on kese abo so the protocol sem no diabetes ene blood pressure for me 30% of your claims no let's say utu ana mo fa sa ade ne ho a na your claims ne be ko family nti de boni fe na preventive healthcare and na ye dey see any so ye bo ho de nti ye pa ho to man ye pa ho to man say ye ma Ghana ni di shebia kwanya say afini mu no anya hwe kra no ni de enye say wo yare na wo kwa sabia wonya ya ko ni de mu hwemu de fe medical check up no na ye hwe say kese a wa ye na ebro so ho futu ene ho kwanje to say
ena da onu na Ghana fo ye be kode Brennan Krabia and the Betchre. And upon Siaka Sebo, Tiebi, Sompa 90.7, Sompa 93.1, Sompa TV so and so Shebi, now what Tiebin so Eho. Kolebu Abaya Sabia, Nifaya, one of Yabaka Federation of Allied Health Professionals.
Sompa FM.
Say one more ebo, woman penny for no coco. San say, woman swam tia quebia. Ebere omo wefe ho semsem wo ma bompanifa bono entumi ententam enunti sempanifa hwe ya mbete atua atrase ayeye kire wa friends and twofo nhia mu no de asemi atu wo no anim Dr. Francis Entry ena de kokobo yibo se we no Kotemale teaching hospital a se welfare secretariat e bi wo ho adan na kolebu nko a wo mo mpe so wo mo beti bie na tumi abo amadwumayefo no wo ma brabo mu nsem so akoyi
Kali. If you come to the hospital, we have various directorates where professionals are managed. And so our friends from the pharmacy, the nurses, our friends in the consulting room, the medical doctors, they all have their directory. And over 50 years now, we have been under the medical directory, of which we have not been treated fairly. In fact, in terms of opportunity to develop ourselves as professionals, we've been denied these opportunities for over 50 years now and counting.
And which National President, the Ghana Federation of Allied Health Professionals, Dr. Shiraz Isahaku, Wabon Trane, Ediwe, and Komobono.
On behalf of all allied professionals, and I can assure you that you are not alone. The national president, together with all the 23 presidents of allied health professionals across the country, are with me here.
Sompa FM.
They've sent a strong warning to those with ears to listen. Yeah. If by the close of Wednesday next week, if the Minister of Health, Ghana Health Service, and all the 6 teaching hospitals in the country do not act,
Dr. Christian Adepoku and so you registered the National Teaching Council. What you have to work with your match for licensure exams. I dare say, we could tell me papa. No, I'm rich. One more babra of fear be a dancer. One more chrono. Or seeing to me now, my teacher, papa be a baby and Messia, and so dear free moon, and Messia papa by a Jumaswa. Not a chef for papa one more day. One moment you do a more Juman, or the assembly to draw a brow your graduation, any speech and prize given day. Edema Savage, Regina School, a Buakwa, Achuma, and Wabia. KG1, JHS2, Ekopim JHS3, Obi Piada, Ya, Osasi Abona Basun, Wamupo, Mabaso, Dr. Christian Adepoku.
Yeah, kind of say, sɛ ngoma sua bɛkɔ so yie a ne ntiri anaa ne titiri paa no gyina teacherfoɔ a wɔbɛkyerɛ adeɛ so ɛno nti na ɔman yɛafa to yɛn ho sɛ yɛ promote bi yɛ friend teacher professionalism yɛbɛma teacher ni bi ayɛ n'adwuma tɔɔtee yɛn ho te na aboa ma yɛn nkwadaa no a yɛtete wɔ mo no mabɛyɛ mpanimpa ɛwɔ wiase ɛwɔ yi na ne nyinaa mu no ɛnti na ma National Teaching Council abaide esi hɔ sɛ yɛmmoa nhwɛ sɛ teacherfoɔ yɛ dwumadie no yɛbɛma no akɔ so yie na teacher ni ansa na yɛbɛgye watom sɛ wɔ teacher ni ankasa no sɛ ɔfa nteteɛ bim na ɔfa nteteɛ no mu wie a na yɛama wabɔdin na National Teaching Council so no yɛn nsɔhwɛ no wapaase
ɛno akyerɛ executive director de ma sukuu yi Orai Lucy Abdel
Sompa FM
de afutuo kwa ma abatan ne awefoɔ so wɔn ma ngoma sua ɛho hia wɔnum papaapa
Masika no yɛpɛ wɔ sɛ bi kwayem yɛdɔna de nkɔfɔ bebree wɔ a mama dɔɔso na mo de mo yɛ koko na mo nyɛ sika but sɛ yɛn te saa anuama sa wɔmfa wɔ bana akɔ school na sɛ piaeɛ na wɔyɛ kora ɔntumi nyɛ ne yie nti no ɛho akɔhia sɛ with the technology advancement aba ɛsɛ sɛ obiara tumi de ne ba ɛkɔ school
ne krakra mu ɛna nana pokua amoako na ɔno so yɛ municipal director of education atwema nwabiagya ɔno so wi asɛm no
Sompa Regina, MC School no established barely 5 years ago, just around the time I covered a buy. And so now we had nipa a room, and the kind of programs are on my it's as municipal director. May promise almost Mwebia or Munia or municipal Nubia, they shouldn't hesitate to contact us.
Yenye kase bono wa Afano Southwest and it is even training and we rare dapa na hotedi di kobroni and waka say wamunyiri ho na idru aba yeto na wamuntu ni dudum emfama mampenida dai rajon remeni mama osi every trade and na wonu mato abade amen pipi amanyokuo na nso ntumi fa sense bibia so e wa Afano Southwest ho sem pipi aban and ye ma wo muti afede wo munane wo munsa.
Now, Affano Southwest from 96, Eben Yampuntunuma, Affano Southwest, NDC project in Kwana. There's no single project or MPP Amanyoko Nayano, Affano Southwest. There's also in your Madadana, you are John Domain Mahama, and NDC Amanyoko, Ayano, Affano Southwest, and Seno, or say you Mapani Nano, or say you Rasa, near Betuazo. No, Betuazo, no measure, my God and Muhan Msia, MP, outside Benyasono. Sabi, one in the president, Equa, Ayanam Puntunumano. Eba more than say sabi NDC baba power bia no na MP no akoye MPP ni enti mpuntunyuma wa say ba no more no ye nya ne saa so he kepa yewura adusai wane yewura John Dramani Mahama omo konfie 9 pe na ahwe de tepa ya menua a we interview mo nyina nsem kyofo mo nyina mo ya awe uduru tepa de say do uduru bantuma pede tepa asesa he de yewura John Dramani Mahama wasesa tepa akwakoduro enti sabi emfie na yewura John Dramani Mahama e ba betwa no wode emfie dakope e betima asesa Affano Southwest ama hwa say more than tepa no
yawie kase bono OCP Ghana na di OCP fertilizer di abra na nanu makuafo a wodi atoso
nyina ye tie Sompa
so do so na utwate ni nkonomu koton a we yakwanya so opene ba ko utu akoton o man mu ba bia weton eya agrochemicals ne ma obenya bi 0325909437 21st clinic yeba European tour sciatica adjojo come to them for number here na your bookings e wo WhatsApp so 0244915116 mizo and 5G ya de suma hokwo amefie ayenika awadegye na sia ede eye na sia be animunyam wonom na ebo ye kire doma no pay me ye de kasebo a emu hwam sei ebramo sante ebo Benedict na esemufo pani sonic kasebo ne tokroje mambegu ho asew enso de mamo akoso somo Elizabeth na Mrs Japan watref vidie no achi achinchim ne kama MC Asafo Kantanka ene na pamfo enso aginam abo adwuma ohini ni amakrancha dazo a usofuma mi premeni me sorry ama ye roman ya edubuache